Great, May. May, there's another question in the audience. This is how to accept the things that don't happen. Is there any method or step-by-step process to accept?
If things don't happen, then what is there to accept? They don't exist only, no? First they have to exist and only then you can accept, no? But if things don't exist, they have not happened at all, then where is the question of accepting? Or I don't know, maybe you might be wanting to ask is, I'm not able to accept that acceptance is not happening. So if that acceptance is not happening, accept the fact that it is not happening. Okay. So you don't have to accept excuse me, accept the situations, but not being able to accept the situations also you should be able to accept. Okay. If that is what you mean. Okay.
Okay, May. Here, the next question is how to get over bad dreams.
Dreams are not worth spending time on. They don't exist, you know. In fact, even this life is a dream. Dream is a dream. It does not have its existence, but life also, you know, what we did 10 years ago, is it not like a dream now? What you did 5 years ago, 5 days ago, is it not like a dream? And now what we think is something very solid and true is also a dream. It's going to become a dream in no time. So it is a dream now also. Okay. So life itself is a dream, not worth, holding on to anything. So why you're talking about dream? Not worth holding on to. Even if good things happen in the dream, not worth holding on to. And if bad things also happen in the dream, not worth holding on to. Okay.
Okay, Bhaiya. There's a question that says, what is stress and how to overcome it?
Gurudev said, no, the stress is doing far too many things in a limited amount of time with limited energy. If you have far too many things to do, your abilities are limited and your energy is limited, and the time available is limited. That is what is root cause of stress. Okay, and then there are various expressions. Your mind being disturbed is stress. Mind being caught up in the events of the past or the future and having regret, guilt, frustration, anger, sadness, or insecurity, fear, worry, tension, all these are signs of stress only. Okay, when you are not happy, that is stress.
Okay, Bhaiya. Next question is, when we burn bridges with people in life, do we come back in the next life and resume our relationship with a new turn?
Possibility is there and possibility is not there also. We don't know. Which will work which way, we don't know. Okay, both possibilities are there.
Interesting answer. Bhaiya, the next question is, what is your favorite movie?
Life. The life itself is such a beautiful movie, you know, so many characters, so many ups and downs, so many pulls and pressures. And in this thing called life, it's so beautiful and so amazing. You are one, but at being one, you are playing so many multiple roles. You're a brother to some, you're a husband to one, or a wife. You're a daughter or a son, you're a mother or a father, you're a friend, you're an enemy also. You're a person whom people love and you're a person whom people hate also. All exist. All roles exist in one role. You act one, but it has so many different reactions in so many different people. We can wonder about it. You know, that same action, some people will say, wow, what an amazing action you took. And there are others who will say, what a stupid action, silly action. This person is always doing something silly. Hmm. So life itself is a movie, and just enjoy, see all these reactions to people, and laugh at it. That's all. That's all we can do, no? Otherwise, there are so many people who are stuck. Oh, this people is good about me. This person is thinking bad about me, and I have to change their opinions and this and that. Forget it. Forget it and enjoy. And when when you start enjoying, you're more likely to be liked by people than not. Hmm. But there is still no guarantee that people are going to like you. So life is interesting, and somebody liked something which you did yesterday, and if you repeat the same thing today, they will not like it. They will flare up. That also is there. It's not that they keep on liking the same thing again and again. And something flared up. Somebody flared up yesterday with some action. Today they will appreciate it. So life itself is a very interesting movie. So many characters, so many spaces from people come, so many things they represent, good, bad, ugly, mm, better. All aspects are there in one person only.
Right. Yeah, there's another question. How to make correct decisions? I struggle to make decisions. Either I make wrong ones or I am indecisive. How to overcome this?
Yeah, it's okay. Even if you make wrong decisions, it doesn't matter. At the end of the day, mm, what you did 10 years ago, you overcome that, and something better happened, and then you made a mess of it, and then you overcome that also. And that is how life is. You know, there is no sure short way to get every decision right. Okay, and that is not going to happen because that is how life is. As we were talking earlier, no, same action yesterday it gave you good results, today it will give you the worst decisions, worst results. People will behave differently with the same actions. Everything will. So life itself is unpredictable. So how can there be a formula, a predictable formula, which will give you the right decision all the time? And a person who's happy, he's happy in spite of whatever is happening in life and in spite of whatever decisions he takes in life, isn't it? Not being happy by taking a right decision is a very limited uh, view of happiness. Right or wrong, people say good things about you or not. Let them do what they want to, and you be happy. You be joyful.
And where there's another question, another question. If you weren't an art of living teacher, what profession would you have been in?
Yeah, something similar only. Something similar only. Right since childhood, I wanted to help people out. I wanted to give them guidance, and I wanted to create a platform where they can express themselves, they can do something for themselves. I had a vision that I wanted to start schools, and I had a vision for poor children, for the underprivileged. And Art of Living is doing all that, and I keep on doing my own contribution to that. Inspire people to contribute to the school project, to this, to do that. It would have been a very similar life. Mm. Gurudev just made it easy. That's all.
Where there's another question. How to overcome feelings of guilt when we have hurt people we love?
It's okay. You hurt that person sometime in the past. It doesn't matter. Now cover up and make it up. Go and hug them. Give them an ice cream. They might agree in the first time. They might agree in the 10th time. They might agree after 100 efforts. But that is the only way to correct the whole situation. You can feel guilty and brood over it, or you can take corrective action and correct it. Isn't it? So rather than being guilty, be empowered and see what is required to change. Go ahead and change it. That's all. Don't brood over whatever has happened. Okay. And if things change, good. If they don't change, it's okay. What? Hmm. See, you cannot keep yourself happy. Hmm. The biggest illusion is that I'm going to keep everyone around me happy, isn't it? So first you become happy, and then if you're able to make others happy, good. If you're not able to make others happy, don't lose your happiness. That is very important.
Thank you, Bhaiya.
Last
We
question.
yeah, the last question for today is the impressions that we form by watching something, how long do they last? How to reduce the number of impressions from movies and TV shows?
Yeah, they can last a moment and they can last for a lifetime also, or many lifetimes also. We don't know. Hmm. When what impression will stick and not stick, we don't know. Sometimes you listen to a song many times and then you still don't remember the words and tune. And sometimes some far away music is happening and then it keeps on working in your mind again and again. The same music, you might not remember the words, but that music is playing again and again. You'll wonder, where did I hear this music? So mind is very strange. You cannot, you say this will remain for longer time, this will remain for a shorter time. Yeah, and when we meditate regularly, then chances are, it's not that mm, it is going to happen for sure, but chances are that you will tend to gather less or fewer impressions. Okay, so meditation, Sudarshan Kriya, then knowledge also, understanding about life. Why am I holding about things of the past? Why am, feverish or anxious about things of the future? That knowledge also will help us drop. Okay.
Great. Thank you, Bhaiya. There's another question. I'll take it next time.
Okay. So it was wonderful having this session. It was amazing to see so many questions, diverse questions, different questions, interesting questions. Hmm. And your participation makes this program also interesting. Okay, so keep on participating like this, keep on supporting us, keep on helping others also by spreading information about these sessions which will be available on IGTV and on my YouTube channel, and the link will be also posted on my Facebook page and profile. So that much for hmm, from both of us here this evening, and till the next time we meet, hmm, may you enjoy and be happy, and see you next time. Bye bye. Take care. Jai Gurudev.
Jai Gurudev.